Hello students, good morning all of you. Now in previous video I solved some number problems of exercise 3.4 which is based on the concept of cubes, and also I have explained that what is the unique digit of the cube if without uh, without cubing any number. How can we say that if one number is one's place is 1, then what is the cube of the one's place of the cube of the other number? So in previous video I have lots of concept I have given. Now from today we have to use the concept for solving these type of questions. So let's start. Question number 2 is write the digit in one's place of the cubes of the following numbers. So student, in this question no need to cube of this number. You have to write direct that if we the question is saying that what is the one's digit one's place of the cubes of the following number. It means if we cube if you will find the cube of this number, then what is the one's place of the number without cube. So recall the chart that I have given in previous video, that what is the one's place of the, if a number has one's place of 1, then if a number has one's place is 1, then if we cube of the number, if we will find the cube of the number, then what is the ones place of the number? Then it is 1. बच्चों इसमें क्या है कि जब आप किसी नंबर का क्यूब निकालते हैं तो उसके जो वंस प्लेस पे जो नंबर होता है, ठीक है, वो हमें बताना है विदाउट क्यूब निकाले. तो इसके लिए इस चार्ट इसको आपको जो है अच्छे से लर्न करना पड़ेगा. जैसे देखिए, अगर किसी नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे 1 नंबर है, सिर्फ नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे क्या है 1 है, तो उसका जब हम क्यूब निकालेंगे क्यूब, तो उसके भी वंस प्लेस पे क्या होगा 1 ही होगा. जैसे 2 में क्या था 8, 3 में 7, 4 में 4 था, 5, 6, 7, 3 and 8, 2, 9 and 0. So student, you have to memorize all the digits, that if a number has one place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 respectively, then the cubes of the one place of the cubes of the number is 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 respectively. Okay, so keep in mind this concept. We will solve the numerical problem of this. So we have to write that here in 62 one's place of digit in one's place is 2. Okay, then digits in one's place of the cubes will be 8. Okay, so no need to finding cube of the number. You have to write the direct answer, that if the ones place of the digit is 2, then digits of ones place of the cube of the number will be 8. So this is the answer. Now in the same way we can also solve that if 38. So you have to write this for solving the answer, because it is compulsory to write the answer in this way. Okay, and here in 38 digit in ones place is 8, then digit in ones place of the cubes will be what? If a number has ones place digit is 8, then what is the digit if we find the cube of ones digit? So it will be 2. Okay, C is 50. Student, if a digit has ones place is 0, listen carefully. If a digit has ones place is 0, then if we will find the cube of the digit, then the ones place of the digit will also be 0. For example, 10 cube is equal to 1000. Okay, so you have to write that here in 50 digit in ones place is 0, then digit in ones place of the cubes will be what? 0. Okay, so student, before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now we are moving on in this question D part. So student, in this type of question you have to write the solution in 1 or 2 line, and we have to use the concept that which I have given in previous segment, that if a number has, if you want to write that if we will cube of this number, then what will be the digit of ones place. So if a number has ones place is digit is ones place is 7, then if the digit in cube of the number will be also 7. So we can write here that here in digit, here in 37 digit in ones place is 7, then digit in ones place of the cube of the cubes will be also 7. Okay, so all the remaining question you have to solve by yourself with the help of the concept which I have given in previous segment. Now we have to move on to question number 3. It is the word problem, that find the volume of a cube, find the volume of cube whose edge is 4.6 centimeter. So student, this question is based on the branch of mathematics whose name is mensuration ब्रांच का ये क्वेश्चन है, और ये क्वेश्चन आपने एक चैप्टर है mensuration, or you have to say that surface area and volume. So this question belong from that branch, and in this question we have to use the formula of the finding of the volume of a cube. What is cube? First of all, I want to discuss about what is cube. Cube is the three-dimensional object which is made by the six faces of a square, like this. Okay, so this is called the cube, and all the line you have to, which you have seen, जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये सभी लाइन क्या है? एज होती है. दिस इज एज. ओके, टोटल 12 एजेस होते हैं. In a cube there are total 12 edges, and all the edges are equal because we know that the side of the square is equal with each other. So the edge of the cube will also be equal with each other. And if you find the cube of if you find the volume of the cube, then the formula is edge cube. Okay, it is the formula of this question. So we have to use this formula for solving this question. This is the solution. Given edge of the cube is equal to 4.6 centimeter, then volume of cube is equal to edge of whole cube. Now what is the edge? Is 4.6 centimeters. Now we have to multiply 4.6 into 4.6 into 4.6 up to 3 times. Then we will get 6 24 16 plus 2 16 6 7 4 11 and 2 8 10 and 1 11 and 1 1 2 decimal 6 plus 3 9 6 12 24 6 4 8 6 and 4 13 6 is 12 plus 1 13 4 to 6 or 1 7 1 2 3 97.33. See, let me check the answer is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. So the answer of this question is 97.336 centimeter cube. This is the unit. This is the student. This is the unit of the volume of any cube. The unit of the volume of cube is centimeter cube or meter cube, whatever you have to say. Okay, so student. Now before moving on next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Okay students, now we are moving our last question, which is based on the concept, which is based on the property of cube's number. Okay, so recall all the property which I have given in previous video, that if you want to write the answer of this question, so first of all you have to memorize all the properties. Okay, so now let's start the question number A, that the cubes of even number are always. So cubes of every even number is always a even number. So we can write here even, because we know that if we want to write the cube of 2, then we will get 8. So 2 is the cube of 2 is the even number and 8 is also a even number. Okay. Now the cubes of negative integers are always, it is also negative. Why? Because we know that if we want to write the cube of -1, then we will get again -1, because if we multiply -1 3 times, then minus minus plus and plus minus equal to minus. So the cube of any negative integer, we will get also a negative integer. So this is the answer of second B part. Now the cube of rational number x upon y is cube of any rational number. So if you want to find the cube of any rational number, then we will get again the rational number. So we can write here rational, because we know that 1 upon 2 is a rational number, and if we want to find the cube of this number, then we will get again 1 upon 8, and 1 upon 8 is also a rational number. Okay. Now question number D is the cube of product of number is equal to the product of their cubes. Why? Because the cube of product of the number, it means if you want to find the product of cube of product of the number, then we can write here 3 cube into 2 cube. Okay, so here we have to write the answer is product. Okay student, now some questions are remaining, so you have to solve by yourself and with the help of the property of the cube of number. Now in next video I will discuss the concept of the cube root. So student, I hope you all understand which I have solved the question, and watch carefully and all the steps, and you have to solve some remaining question which I have left today by yourself. So thank you very much for being with us.